Hey everyone, welcome back to Healthy and Active. Today, we're diving deep into the versatile world of Swiss ball exercises. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced athlete, this tool can supercharge your workouts. Let's get rolling. Number 1. Introduction to Swiss ball. First off, what is a Swiss ball? Also known as stability balls, these inflatable spheres can be a game changer in terms of core strength, stability, and versatility in exercises. But before we dive into the exercises, safety first. Always ensure your Swiss ball is inflated properly and free of any damage. Number 2. Beginner exercises. Swiss ball plank. Description: this helps strengthen your core and improve balance. Swiss ball squats. Description: this is a fantastic way to work on your leg strength and balance. Number 3. Intermediate exercises. Swiss ball push-ups. Description: challenge your upper body and core simultaneously. Swiss ball hamstring curl. Description: great for those hamstrings and glutes. Number 4. Advanced exercises. Swiss ball pike. Description: this advanced move really targets your core. Swiss ball wall squat with dumbbell press. Description: combines strength and stability for a full body workout. Number 5. Tips for success. Now a few quick tips before you start. Always focus on form over the number of repetitions. Make sure the surface you're using is non-slip. Start slow, especially if you're new to the Swiss ball exercises. And that's a wrap on our Swiss ball workout guide. Remember, the key is consistency in practice. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more fitness tips and tricks. Until next time, stay active and keep rolling.